In primetime news this evening, more Pathway cult details. Victim's family turn on surviving member. Mob murder. St. Thomas vigilantes kill innocent man in search for suspected child abductor. And later, where are the relocation plans? An update on the Little Haiti squatting village, part 2 of a TVJ News special report.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Gray. Thanks for joining us. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, here's our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the deadly ritual at the Pathways International Restoration Ministries in St. James? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, or tweet at TelevisionJam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.